Are you ready to grow your professional network or apply for the jobs? In today's tutorial, I will walk you through how to create a LinkedIn account in 2025 step by step, the easy way. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you need to launch your web browser in your PC or in your laptop. You can also launch the LinkedIn mobile application and follow the same steps there as well. Now, if you are in your PC, you need to simply search for LinkedIn. Then you will find linkedin.com website. So you need to simply click on it. Now over here, click on the join now option and it is going to basically ask you to provide your email address or phone number and your password in order to agree and join LinkedIn. You can also continue with Google and your Microsoft account here. So you can select any of the option with the help of which you want to sign in into your account. So let's say I want to sign in with these credentials. After that, click on the agree and join option. Now over here it will start to ask you some of the questions like your first name, like your last name. Then you need to provide that and press continue. Now here on the next page it is going to ask you to select your location. So select your location first, then press next. Now provide the information about your most recent job. If you are a student, you can select that and provide the information about your school and your college. So here after providing the details, simply press next. Then select your employee type and select your company. Then you need to press continue. You can also skip some of the steps for now, but it is better to add this information for better profile matches. Now you need to go to your emails inbox and enter the verification code. So this will be the verification code which you need to enter. Then you need to simply press agree and confirm here in the bottom, and this way you will be able to basically create your account on LinkedIn. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.